Now, one of the essential jazz ballads to know is Body and Soul, and that is the standard of the month here on my YouTube channel and Patreon page. I think it happens to have some of the most beautiful changes and a wonderful melody, and I'm going to play for you my solo guitar arrangement. Now, if you'd like to learn this, you can get the tab and notation PDF of it over on my Patreon page. It's on the lowest tier, link in the description. I'm going to play this for you on my 1947 Gibson L7, and I'm testing out a new mic today, the Neumann TLM02. So let me know what you think of the tone I'm getting from this guitar and this new mic. So don't forget, link in the description to the notation and tab for that one over on my Patreon page. And do let me know in the comments what you think of the sound of the mic. So first time I've used it, I did experiment a bit with placement. I did try putting it in sort of line with where the neck joins the body, but I found it more pleasing sort of on the lower bout of the guitar, sort of 6 to 12 inches away from the lower F hole. But I will experiment with it, but I'd love to know what you think first and foremost of the tone. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget jazz guitar videos every Wednesday. Until next time, you take care.